Greetings Jira admins. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of adding the Performance Objectives app for Jira to your instance. You can begin by entering Performance Objectives in the Atlassian Marketplace search bar. Locate the app and click on it. Then proceed to click on the Try It Free button. A pop-up window will appear with detailed information about our app. Following that, click on Start Free Trial. From here, explore our documentation, access support, or initiate the configuration of the app's admin settings. Alternatively, you can install the Performance Objectives app directly within your Jira Cloud instance. Choose Explore More Apps from the Apps menu. Or if you are using Jira Data Center, click on the cogwheel icon, then navigate to find new apps. You can also visit the app request page to address specific needs or requests from users within your Jira instance. Don't forget you have to be logged in with your administrator credentials to complete this task. From this point, you can begin adding Performance Objectives gadgets into your Jira dashboards. Learn how in our step-by-step guide.